Southbound potash load shows up as it follows behind the southbound Woodtick. 3260 to be honest, back. I was aiming at last with my next B790 by ACC rebuild of the new 8337 that was in the second slot. This is definitely B790. B790, 41, number 26. Started up at Chaplain in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada. This is going to head to Nutrien Hammond Potash in Hammond, Indiana via the Indiana Harbor Belt. This will have a rear DPU or two. DPUs. Maybe not. Here's the last of it already, and that is the 8312, another SD75i ACC. Your DPU LED lights are on. Nicely done. 2x1 configuration, but we'll take that. Haha. Very nice. So that's going to do it for the B790, 41 of the 26th, and we'll do it for the 3260 and the pair of 75i ACC rebuilds of the 8337 and the 8312. Wonderful. And the highlight of the night for the bonus. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great night. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main line. See you and haze out.